Hello and assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I hope you all will be fine and enjoying this amazing Sunday. Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel JZ Knowledge. I hope you all will be fine. Dear viewers, in the previous lecture I had discussed the carbohydrate introductions, in which I discussed all the carbohydrate molecules, all the units, all the example as carbohydrates and all the classification. In this next video, in the previous video I had also discussed the classification of carbohydrates into simple saccharides and polysaccharides, but now in this video I will discuss only monosaccharides, the classification of monosaccharides. So before I start my lecture video, I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel JZ Knowledge. So dear friends, dear viewers, monosaccharides are simplest, colorless, water soluble, sweet and crystalline solids. Let me repeat it, that monosaccharides are simplest, colorless, water soluble, sweet and crystalline solids. They can be classified according to four different ways. Monosaccharide, we can classify monosaccharide into by four methods, like placement of C double O bond group. C double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen, when carbon is attached to the oxygen through double bond, so this is called carbonyl group. Example of carbonyl group are aldose, aldo and keto. I mean aldehyde and ketone. So by the placement of CO bond, we can classify monosaccharide into aldo and keto. While on the number of carbon atoms, we can classify monosaccharide into tri, tetra and penta. If one monosaccharide unit is if one monosaccharide unit have two carbon atoms, then it will be called di. If someone is three, tetra, tri. If any monosaccharide unit have four carbon atoms, so it will be called tetra, and pentas, like that. So the third classification is on the basis of chiral carbon. Chiral carbon is D and L. And the fourth classification is on the basis of rotation of plane polarized light, like D and L, dextro and leo. So on the basis of carbonyl group, aldehyde are classified into two groups, which is aldoses. Aldoses are those monosaccharides which have aldehyde functional group, while ketoses are those monosaccharides which have ketone functional group. On the basis of number of carbon atoms, diose is a glycoaldehyde. Diose mean when monosaccharide have two carbon. So the example of diose is a glycoaldehyde. Trioses which have three carbon atoms. So example of trioses are glycerol aldehyde or dihydroxyacetone. So also it is called tetroses, which mean subunit have four carbon atoms, like ribose and ribolose. Erythrose and erythrolose. While pentoses are those monosaccharide which has five carbon in a subunit, which is called ribose and ribolose. While those which have six carbon atoms are called hexoses, like glucose and fructose and galactose. While those monosaccharide which have seven carbon atoms are called heptoses, pseudoheptulose and monoheptulose. While those which have eight carbon atoms are called octoses. Example are methyl thioligosamide, and nonoses are neuramic acid and sialic acid, which have 9 carbon atoms. So this is all about the monosaccharide and classification of monosaccharides. Those monosaccharides which have aldo functional group or aldehyde functional group are called aldoses, while those monosaccharides which have keto or ketone functional group are called ketoloses. So if 3 carbon compound have aldehyde functional group, then it will be called trioses, tetroses, pentoses and hexoses. 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms, while those monosaccharide which has ketone functional group and 3 carbon, then it will be called triolose. Keto tetroses have 4 carbons, keto pentoses or pentolose have 5 carbon, hexolose or keto hexose have 6 carbon atoms. This is all about monosaccharide and disaccharide. I hope you understand my video. I hope you understand my lecture. If you are liking my video and you are watching my videos, then I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel JZ Knowledge and share my videos with your friends. I will be very thankful to you. Thank you so much for watching my video.